Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register CVS OTC benefits portal account, setup guide step by step clearly. To register for the CVS OTC benefits portal account, begin by visiting the official CVS website. Locate the section for the OTC benefits portal on the homepage. Click on the link to access the OTC benefits portal. Once on the portal page, look for the option to register or create an account. Click the Register button to start the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your personal information. Provide your full name as it appears on your insurance card. Enter your date of birth in the specified format. Next, input your member ID number, which can usually be found on your benefits card. After that, enter your zip code to confirm your residence. Review the information you've entered for accuracy. When everything is correct, proceed by clicking the Continue button. You may be asked to create a username and password for your account. Choose a strong password that meets the security requirements. Complete any additional fields required, such as your email address and phone number. Once all information has been entered, review the terms and conditions. Check the box to agree to the terms before finalizing your registration. Click the Submit button to create your account. You should receive a confirmation email shortly after submitting your registration. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the OTC Benefits Portal login page. Enter your newly created username and password to access your account. You are now ready to explore your OTC benefits and make any necessary transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.